Hey, nomadic weather bear here. Just sitting out here in the backyard where Connie lives. She actually rents this place from her mom. It's at an RV park, or I'm sorry, it's at a mobile home / RV park in Bonita Springs. You can see there's Harvey. I'm parked in the yard. There's her carport, her place. Nice tool shed. Lots of pretty plants back here. It's a nice day today. We're just kind of chilling, deciding where to go next. Our grandson Grant also is staying here, but he's moving out at the end of the month. With a couple he knows. They're going to move north of here, up closer to Fort Myers. Had some rain here the last couple days. No rain today though. It's really dry. They're in a drought here in Southwest Florida, pretty severe drought. It's not helping the grass unless you got sprinklers. Just wander here a little bit. Bit of a tour. There's Harvey. Connie's not feeling too well today. She's taking a nap. It's a nice RV park. There used to be a mobile home here, but it was destroyed by Hurricane Irma, I believe. One of the neighbors with an RV. A little subdivision behind where she lives. Big giant tree here. It's a beauty. Nice day. There's Grant's truck. Our grandson Grant. There's Paris. Hi, Paris. Connie's little putty tat. Hey, Paris, how's it going? There's Connie's car. Al. And her mom actually lives over there. And there's one of the roads that takes you down the park. And we do have some thunderstorms off to our east, but they're not going to impact us. They're kind of forming along the sea breeze front, and they're basically just stationary, moving a little bit away from us to the south and to the east. Really nice big yard they have here. Plenty of place to park, Harvey. Soil is really soft. It's a sugar sand, what it's called. Some of the flowers starting to come out. You got your pig wind vane. Other assorted cool stuff. And just got a couple chairs sitting back here in the shade, cooling off a little bit. Hopefully she'll feel a little bit better afterwards. So that's just a quick update from Bonita Springs, Florida. Beautiful 87 degrees here today. Humid, as usual. But otherwise a pretty darn nice day. Y'all have a good one. Talk to you later. Nomadic Weather Bear, out.